Welcome to the basic A arpeggios. So far we have done C, G, D, and now it's time for A. We're almost halfway of the arpeggio section, so let's complete these videos and then we can complete the arpeggios entire section and we can move on to the improvise where we start applying the scales, the chords, and our arpeggios together to create awesome improvisation techniques and create our own music. Now, first we need to find A, and we have to build the chord. So we build the chord A, we already know this. In the basic chord section, we already know A, we played it up and down, major and minor. So we play A major, and then we add the last note, which is going to be A, again, tonic, tonic. And then we play all four of them. That is going to be the wide A major. In the intermediate chord section, we're going to talk about the wide major, the longer arpeggios, but in this section, we're only going to talk short arpeggios, major and minor. So let's play the wide major, and now we're going to play them one by one. So in this case, it's going to be A, C sharp, E, and A. The fingers are 1, 2, 3, 5. Same fingerings as all the rest of the arpeggios, so you should already be familiar with that since you already done C, G, D, and now it's A. So now we're going to play A, C sharp, E, A, C sharp, E, A, C sharp. So let's be familiar with it. Let's go A, C sharp, E, A. Just do it once. Play it right here. First variation right here. All over the piano. So you know play it pretty well. Go up and down like this. Until you know it pretty well. And you can find it easily. Now we move up to the C sharp, E, A, C sharp, and do the same thing. Do this, go down, go right here, until you can actually play it like that pretty well. Now we're going to go up to E, E, A, C sharp, E. This is the third variation, so go up, down, E, different octaves, and then we end it with A. So let's put it all together. We go A, C sharp, E, A, move up to C sharp, E, A, C sharp, E, A, C sharp, E, and then A, C sharp, E, and A. So let's go down. A, E, C sharp, A, E, C sharp, A, E, C sharp, A, E, C sharp, and then A, E, C sharp, and A. So practice this one octave until you know it fairly well. So it goes A, C sharp, E, A. And then down. A, E, C sharp, A. Now once you know it pretty well, then we're going to go into the left hand and play the same thing like the right hand. So play A, C sharp, E, A. So play it once here. Go up and down. Play the same thing. Down here. Now let's play it not too fast. Own pace would be fine. Different octaves. Then we move to C sharp, E, A, C sharp. Go down. Different octaves. And then you go E, A, C sharp, E. Do the same thing. So your fingers will know where to go, you know. So the fingers know where their places. Now we're gonna go to A, C sharp, E, A. And gonna put it together. C sharp, E, A, C sharp, E, A, C sharp, E, and then A, C sharp, E, A, and then we go down. A, E, C sharp, A, E, C sharp, A, E, C sharp, A, E, C sharp, and then A, E, C sharp, A. And then we're gonna go up and down with the left hand until you feel pretty comfortable. Go to A, C sharp, E, A. And then we go down. A, E, C sharp, and then A. There we go. Once the left hand and the right hand are done playing separately, then we're going to combine the hands and play with both hands. So I'm going to start with A, C sharp, E, A. Then we're going to move up to C sharp, E, A, C sharp. Then we're going to go to E, A, C sharp, E, and then A, C sharp, E, A. Now we're gonna go down from A to E to C sharp and back to A. Good. Practice one octave with two hands. You can pause the video if you need to until you know one octave pretty well with two hands. Excellent. Now we're going to move on to 4 octaves, playing it 25 times skipping and then 25 times straight. It's very important to play the skipping part so your fingers know how to press the keys, and then 25 times straight is where we increase the pace, and then your fingers could actually fly up and down. Let's start with the 25 times skipping. Excellent. Once the 25 times skipping is complete, now we go 25 times straight. Excellent. That was the A major arpeggios. Now we're going to go to the A minor arpeggios. A minor is the same thing as the major, except you already know the third step goes half a step down. So in this case, it's going to be the C sharp, going to go a step down to C. So there's no black keys. It's going to be A, C, E, and A. So let's begin with the right hand. A, C, E, A. C, E, A, C. And then E, A, C, A. Same fingerings as always. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 again. And down would be A, E, C, A. E, C, A, E. And then C, A, E, C. And A, E, C, A. Good. So practice with the right hand until you know it pretty well. So we're just going to start with A, then C, E, A, and down. A, E, C, A. Excellent. Now once the right hand is comfortable playing on its own, we're going to move on to the left hand. So the left hand is going to be A, C, E, A. Then we're going to move on to C, E, A, C, and then I'm going to go to E, A, C, E, and then end it with A, C, E, A, and back. A, E, C, A, E, C, A, E, C, A, E, C, and then A, E, C, A. So practice the left hand 1 octave until you know it confidently. A, C, E, A, and down. A, E, C, A. Excellent. Once the left hand and the right hand are graded alone, then we put them together for both to play them 1 octave together. So we start with A, then we go to C, then to E, and to A again. And now we go down from A to E, to C, and to A. So So play 2 hands, 1 octave until you know it pretty well. Excellent. Once that is done, now we're going to go 4 octaves, playing 25 times skipping and 25 times straight, 50 total. Once the skipping is complete, then we move on to 25 straight. There you go. That was the A major and the A minor basic arpeggios. Now we know how to go up and down the keyboard with playing in the key of A. We're comfortable. We have done the scales, the basic chords, and the basic arpeggios. A is pretty easy for us, and we can start improvising many different ways in the key of A. Thank you for watching. Let's move on.